Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is February 7th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So let's take a look a little bit at Dow Jones. So Dow Jones is still caving in under this downward resistance. We came close to breaking it a couple of days ago, but no, we have not done so yet. Standard & Poor's 500, pretty much the same thing. We are plateauing a little bit right here. Nasdaq Composite, we broke it, but it's not a really clean break because stochastic is not at over 60. It's a very weak break, and the Nasdaq 100, pretty much the same thing. So what did Tesla do? So Tesla maintained itself quite well, I would say. So we closed at 907.34, down $15.98. That's 1.73%. Post-market, we seem to be up a little bit. That's nice to see. So we are still in the congestion zone between 879 and 940. So we are still right there. But today we opened pretty much at the close of yesterday, and then we went a little bit higher. So our high of the day was 947.77. So some people were willing to buy at a higher price. So this is a first indication that maybe something is changing in the market, because before that, during the past 6-7 days, nobody wanted to pay more than 940. So maybe there's a change, but this price was reached during the day and we did not close at that price. So not a lot of people were willing to buy over 940. And we also made a higher low. So we made a higher high, we made a higher low, but even though we closed lower than where we opened. Let's go see the 1-hour chart to understand a little bit better. So the first candle of the day was right here. We opened right here, went super high, but then came back down. So this gave us a longer wick at the top. So this is showing a selling pressure. So the sellers basically won that round. Then we came down for the last 2 hours and then stayed pretty much even at around 911. This is an intraday support. And now for the last hour of the day, we caved in a little bit. Let's go see if our indicators changed a little bit. So we have stochastic that is in an upward slope. This is still intact, but it has not yet reached 60. MACD. So MACD, we are awaiting MACD to cross over bullish. So the blue line is at minus 37 right now, and the orange line is at minus 34. So we still don't have a break here. RSI is still below 50, and the MI is also bearish for now. So we don't yet see an indication. And as I mentioned in the past, we are going to play here. If we break above 940, this is bullish. If we break below 879, this is bearish. So let's just wait to see what Tesla does. I have the hunch that the big move will only come once we break this downward resistance here. So it might be a couple of weeks before we really break this one. We'll see. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. You can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.